Welcome and welcome back to my small space gardening oasis where I'm growing in extreme heat, zone 13 to be exact. My name is Stacey and this is my tiny space container garden where I'm growing a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. So today's video is growing strawberries in hot climates. I have finally gotten my strawberry bare roots, but one problem, they're not looking so good at all. I'm going to put them to soak for maybe an hour or two. And then I'm going to just plant them out. They're not looking good at all. But let's see what will happen. I think maybe because they were at the shipping company overseas branch for too long. I've been trying to get some plants here in Jamaica for quite some time now, and I've been getting some promises but I haven't got any as yet, so I took it upon myself to get me some bare roots. I have grown these before, so I am hoping for the best, even though they are not looking their best. I'm just letting them soak and then I'll just plant them out. This one has a little green on it, so if it's even one, at least I get something. And this is a chance that I took, as usual. I'm always taking chances. So let's see what will become of them. I'll let them soak for maybe 2 hours, yeah. So guys, I actually ended up soaking these for more than a few hours. I had was to stop to get some things done. So I'm back at it. I really hope that they're fine. I really hope that they're fine. So I am just going to put them at the front right here. So since I've mulched already, what I'm doing is just shift the mulch one side like this or like that. All right, so I'm just shifting the mulch like that, and then now take out the soil. Let me grab my bucket because I'm going to need back that soil. I'm doing this because I want the mulch to remain on top. If it wasn't for that, I wouldn't be going through this using a bucket to put the soil in. The roots are not big, you know, so I don't need to go much further down. So as you're looking at it right here, this is the crown. Boy, it doesn't look so good at all, but I am putting them in the dirt nevertheless. So this is the crown right here, and these are the roots. So I am just going to put the roots alone down in the soil. The crown needs to remain on top of the soil, so just the roots alone is to come into contact with the soil. This is about my lots of times growing growing strawberries from bare root. So I'm giving you this one example, and then I'm just going to go ahead and do the others. So put it in the ground like this, and I think this is too deep, so I'll put back some soil in there. That is too deep. Remember, we have to keep the crown above the ground. So put back some more. Usually when I get them, the roots are generally long. This is the first time I'm getting with these short roots, and it's the same ever-bearing that I always get. So let's see. I'm just going to let them stay like that right there. Fill this back in with soil. Can't really get the soil out of the bucket. And I'm loving that I'm seeing my earthworms. Remember, I use the diatomaceous earth to get rid of the snails that I was having troubles with. I realizing that I'm not seeing the snails, but I'm seeing my earthworms, which tells me that it is indeed a good product. It is indeed organic. I am going to link the videos in my description about that diatomaceous earth. They're pretty short videos, so you can just take a quick look, and the link for the diatomaceous earth is also in those videos. I purchased it on Amazon. So yes, the crown is way above the ground, and just the roots are in the ground. So I'm just going to gently put back my mulch a little away from the crown. This is exactly what I'll be doing with the others. When I'm done, I'll show you all of them. Alright, so I'm done planting them. It's a little difficult for you to see because they look like the mulch. One is here, one is here, one is here, one is here. Oh, by the way, I sprinkled back some diatomaceous earth in the containers. See, the first one, there's another one, and then these are the little four over here. One is here, one is here, one is here, and one is here. So yeah, so that's it for today, and until tomorrow, walk good.